A major White House proposal overseas is already shaking global markets. CNN's Caroline Woods and from 11Alive joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Good morning to you.
Hey there. Good morning, Chesley. Happy Friday. And yes, let's start with stocks because the opening bell just rang about 12 minutes ago. We're watching the major averages and we're also watching oil and energy stocks today because the Trump administration's new push for a Russia-Ukraine peace deal is moving oil prices this morning. Brent crude futures slipped a little bit more than 1.5% to just above $62 a barrel earlier. And West Texas Intermediate futures dipped about 2% as well. They're trading below $58 a barrel. The widely reported U.S. plan proposes that Ukraine cede 3 major regions to Russia, limit its armed forces, and pledge never to join NATO. Analysts are doubtful that Ukraine will actually approve it. So keeping our eye on that this morning. Also taking a look at the major averages. We're actually opening with green on the screen, similar to yesterday, although hopefully we can actually hold on to those gains because we saw a big reversal yesterday. I will note, though, that NVIDIA has turned lower once again. It's down about 1% right now, and that has the ability to move the market. So we're keeping an eye on that as well.
All right, you got big changes at Verizon, thousands handed pink slips.
Yeah, not good news for Verizon. It's laying off more than 13,000 employees starting this week. The Wall Street Journal was actually the first to report on these job cuts, announced in a memo by CEO Dan Schulman. He told staffers the move was designed to, quote, reorient the company around customer service. The carrier has already started notifying these workers. It's a process that's expected to take a few weeks. It's also investing $20 million into a career transition fund for those affected. And Chesley, I saw the memo and it looks like that career transition fund is also helping workers upskill or reskill themselves because of, you guessed it, AI.
Yeah, man. You know, my mother just got one of these real IDs, right? She'll be traveling for the holidays. But for those folks that don't have that real ID, it's going to cost them, right?
Yeah, $18. And your mother must have been lucky with getting an appointment. Mine's still not until next month, and I applied for it months ago. Air travelers without a real ID, though, or valid passport may soon have to shell out $18 to get through airport screening. Federal transportation officials say the non-refundable fee goes toward the cost of using alternative verification methods. The real ID requirement for driver's licenses went into effect in May. However, a number of Americans still don't have one or a passport. It wasn't made clear if the fee will start during next week's Thanksgiving travel rush. TSA will also accept other forms of ID, though, like Homeland Security's global entry, a permanent resident card, a tribal nation's ID, or foreign-issued passport. A full list is available on the TSA's website. I'll be traveling on Thanksgiving, and I will be bringing my passport because I don't have my real ID.
Yeah. Save yourself on that fee. I understand. So Monster is launching a new energy drink, but it's aimed at women. It seems like social media is divided on this one. What's the brand trying to do?
Yeah. Definitely mixed here. Monster Energy is set to release this new female-focused brand, and early reaction from women, not necessarily positive. The new line is called Flirt, spelled F-L-R-T. It offers sugar-free drinks and comes in flavors like Strawberry Fling, Berry Tempting, and Sunset Squeeze. Some reviews on social media have been harsh, with one woman calling the brand, quote, really condescending. Another suggests that energy drinks have always been for the girls. The company says the drinks contain collagen to support healthy skin, hair, and immune systems. Describes the drinks as being, quote, as vibrant, fearless, and fun as the women who drink it. Monster Energy did not respond when asked about the social media comments this week. But I've never had Monster Energy drinks. I think I'll just stick with my matcha and my fountain Diet Cokes for fuel.
Yeah, no, a lot of sugar in that. Sugar in that. All right, Caroline. Hey, sorry about last night. The Bills taking it on the chin, but better luck next Sunday, right?
Let's go, Buffalo. Go Bills.
All right, take care.